All right, I'm going to go over how to create a couple different pages. So let's go and start off and create the first easy one, which is full width page. Example content here, and let's publish this. And let's view this in another tab. So you can see by default, the page has a sidebar. To remove that sidebar, super easy. Just go under page attributes and select full width. So now I update that, I can refresh this page and the sidebar's gone and it's a full width page. All right, so that's easy. Let's go over contact page now. So the contact page can be created by the default template. So if I open up a new page, all you have to do is go under contact and there's a form that's already built for you. And you can just copy that shortcode. And then let's go ahead and go back to that contact page. And then you can just paste in your contact form, update it, or that shortcode, and then you have your form. So pretty easy. And then to get the map, all you have to do is go under light shortcode and create the Google Map shortcode. Let's go and copy that out of there. And you're going to paste that under contact form shortcode. Now this is pretty easy. You can just add in your address right here. So as needed, like you're typing into Google Maps, you can adjust the zoom. So a higher zoom, the more zoomed in the map is. You can adjust the title and the height of it. It will automatically span the full width. So let's go and refresh that, and you can see that's how the map shows up. And the last thing to cover is you can use the full width page template as well with this. Just click full width, and you could have the full width instead of a sidebar if you'd like. So that's how to create the contact page. And the last one is that about page in the live preview. All you have to do, I think it's a full width page template. Let's go and open another tab. And then we can just start adding some content to that. So the first thing we added was this simple quote. And all you have to do is make sure you have the toolbar toggled so you have these additional options. And the first thing you can do is use a block quote. And that's what we did, and we centered it. And then we added some content, which is no longer a block quote, so we need to select that and remove the block quote from that and left align it. Let's update it and refresh it just to show you what we've done. So if you use the block quote and center it, this is how it displays. And then we can add in any content we need. And then in the live preview, we added a divider. So that's a short code, and you can just click divider. And then we have another heading. And we centered this heading. So let's update that so we can see just the progress we're making. So we have the block quote, some text, and then the heading. And then in the live preview, we have 2 columns. So let's go and just add 2 columns under shortcode grid, 2 columns. And then you can just enter your image right here. So let's go and just enter this, just a demo sample image real quick. And I'm going to remove the link under here. Just click none. And then we can do the same thing on the second column. Publish that, and then you can see how it works. So this is just like the live preview. We have 2 columns, and then we can add in a button as well. By using shortcodes again, you can add a button. So that just kind of shows you how to create an example page using shortcodes and default functionality built into WordPress to create different layouts. It's really up to you, but I wanted to show that example about page.